So now on Station Road, obviously this was all part of the old railway station, that, and then in the background you can see Cooter Fell. The fire station. So this here is the yard of Cuthbertson's, and that's where a lot of the snowplows are made. Again, it's on the same road, Station Road itself, which obviously leads down to the rugby club as well, but we're going to continue on it just now. Catch you in a bit. So we're just going to follow a path down by the burn towards the golf club, the golf course itself. Just up around the corner there is a small co-op. The river, the burn itself, the little river, stream, whatever you want to call it, is full of life, little brown trout and that, and occasionally we'll see a heron. So this is Biggar High School itself, because it's right next to the burn. In the past the burn has flooded because of the weather. As you can see, just at the bottom there, little metal plates that they open up to allow the floodwater to go through, etc. As you can see, the path here is quite good, but soon it's going to get a little bit worse for you, as you'll see. That's an unusual looking plant just at the top of the sign there, as it gets. So this is where the path gets worse during the recent flooding. It washed away the path and nobody's really bothered to replace it or maintain it. So come on, South Lanarkshire Council, get a grip. And that's obviously all to the golf course itself. Again, a municipal or council run golf course. Not a bad course, fairly flat. Catch you in a bit. So we've now picked up the old railway line, which obviously that way it ran to Simonton itself. Over there you can see Tinto in the background, all the way along, Cooter Fell, and then the line in this direction would have gone up to Broughton. Nice morning, overcast. Unusual not to see anybody hitting a ball and chasing it and swearing. So this is where we turn off the railway line. There's people playing golf, and head down through the caravan park. Again, a council caravan park. Got a little children's play area, an area over there where they do football and other sports. This path itself takes you down to the bridge, and then you turn right and head towards the pond itself. Apart from using YouTube to document our journeys, I also use another thing called Relive, which I'll show you a little bit later on. That's a good app to use. It's either get it free or upgrade, where you can actually add music added, up to 50 photos or videos, and it's easy to navigate. I'll show you that later. So High Street that way, public park that way. Again, looking up over the golf course itself, up towards the medical centre and the Killer Hospital. Again, you can see the high school just in the background there. Around. Some of the caravans are here permanently or static, and others are just visitors. So just some of the sculptures down at the boating pond that represents Biggar. The rugby club, and obviously the old gasworks, which is still there. The unusual thing about this boating pond is it has no boats, but occasionally you do find youth organisations canoeing and kayaking on it. And then you've got the clubhouse in the background there. Anyway, let's crack on. So just coming up the road from the golf course itself, a new addition is they're just starting to do a community garden for growing veg, I think, and stuff like that. And then over in the background there you can see Broughton Heights and the fells around there. Lovely walking. But if you've looked at some of my other Relive, you'll see some of the walks that we've done in there. But I'm going to crack on up. See you in a bit. So this is the Biggar puppet theatre, very famous. Puppet theatre, public park, high street toilets. And that's puppet theatre. So now we're really just at the top end of Biggar itself, where the road 702 goes to Edinburgh. And just behind this big house here is Taylor's Ice Cream Factory. So again, at the top end of the town you've got the museum itself, takeaways. Biggar itself is supported by small shops, a couple of hotels, couple of bars, takeaways. So that's the Corn Exchange, and on this very spot here, on the 1st of December they lay down mud ready for a bonfire tradition for Hogmanay. Going to the hotels, bars, and then if you look down the main street itself. So that's Biggar Kirk, been there since the 16th century. And we're just walking down towards the Burn Braes play area for children. So this is Burn Braes. A little fort down the bottom there. Little go park for the kiddie winks. So this is the gasworks that used to provide the gas for Biggar. It's now a museum. Open from April to September 1300 to 1700s. Obviously getting some renovation work done to it at the moment, as you can see. And so on this plaque here it says, in the memory of Sir William Wallace, patriot and champion of Scotland freedom. Wallace's wife was Marion, daughter of Sir Hugh, brave fort of Flemington, near Biggar. A death in Lanark at the hands of the occupying English soldiers in 1297 provoked events which began the national uprising led by Wallace and his appointment as guardian of Scotland. Local legend claims that from this spot near here, Wallace, disguised as a cadger or packman, set out to spy on the English force before the Scots engaged and defeated them. Cadger's Brig nearby takes its name from the story. So this is Cadger's Brig. And then just in the background there, Totals got the walls that fell from the wars in order for our freedom. Thank you very much. Totals got. Again, looking back towards Cadger's Brig itself, that now really concludes our walk. Catch you later. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is now to upload the video. So the date there, walking 27th of August, I had a title, Awesome Walk Lab, but I'm just going to change that just now. So as you can see, I've now changed it to the Biggar Burn Walk. It's got some pictures on there, but you can add more later on. So all we're going to do is just click on Save Your Activity, and then it says keep your app open, it starts uploading, but I'll keep you informed of what happens. So once it's uploaded those few photos, then what happens then is it just sort of gives you a choice of to make a horizontal video or vertical video, as it says in there, 3.3 miles, and just some of the images. So what we're going to do is going to do a vertical video. So just click on create vertical video, and it brings you to this screen here, which allows you to add more photos and add music. My only negative thing about this, I'm a Plus member, so I get a bit more music, but I would like to see more music on there than what we've actually got. But anyhow, I'll go ahead and I'll do that and I'll show you the results. So I've clicked on all the photos that I took, including a video, and as you can see down the bottom here, it tells you the time it finished, the distance, duration and elevation, and then also allows you to just add a note to let people know exactly where it was or what you were doing, etc. But I'll just do that and I'll get back to you. So once I've put all my little notes in and all that, just go up to create, and then just sit back and wait. As you can see, it says there uploading media 6:38. You can do a maximum of 50 photos if you're got the paid version. And eventually it comes to this page here, as you can see, it says your video has been made, and you'll see the results in a minute right after this. Thanks for watching.